Yaurana, Maeva, from the island of Tahiti. Welcome and thank you for joining us to our Tahiti Comes to You series. My name is Tuyana Brodian and I'm a professional Ori Tahiti dancer. Do you want to know how to do some Tahitian dance moves? Let me show you how. Come and follow me. I'm ready to practice with my pareo and a top. Great! What about? First of all, you bend your knees, hips on the left, then side to side. We're gonna do the tamo. Great! Second step, varu. It's the figure 8. Yes! Third, the tumami. You draw a big circle with your hips and your knees. Don't forget to stay bent. Fourth step, fa'arapu. It's a circle that you use with the hips. The fifth step, afata, the box. You do side, front, side, back. Come on. And that's it. Good job. I'm ready to practice. Follow me. That's it, everyone. If you want to watch more videos of Tahiti Comes to You, please click in the link in the description. We are looking forward to see you in our beautiful island. Maurururua. Parhean e. Nana.